Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Sometimes it is required to reset the PC because we have tried so many things and finally we just want to reinstall the whole Windows. In this video, we are going to reset the PC and we will also learn to keep files or just remove everything. Please make sure you watch the whole video and it will be very easier for you to reset the whole computer. So here in the search icon, type reset, and the very first best match you will find reset this PC. Once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. It will show you recovery, and the very first option is reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose whether to keep your files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So once we click on get started, we get two options. So if we select keep my files, it will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. Now once you click on that, you will get a new window. How would you like to reinstall Windows? So cloud download, download and reinstall Windows, or local reinstall, reinstall Windows from this device. So if you're using a laptop like Dell, HP, Acer, or any other branded laptop where you have that local image, and if you're using desktop, then I would recommend cloud download. The cloud download will require 4 GB data. I would recommend to go for the cloud download because you will have all the fresh files installed. And once you click on that, a new window will appear. You don't have to make any changes and you just have to click on next, and it will reset and start downloading the fresh Windows 10 in your computer. It will restart several times and you will be good. So this is for keeping files. So I'll just go back. What if we select remove everything? So remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. And once we click on that, the same window will appear, cloud download and local reinstall. So I would recommend to do the first cloud download. So you can simply click on cloud download and you would require 4 GB space at least. It might take more than 4 GB, so you should have at least 5 GB data to download the cloud file for the Windows 10. And once you click on next, if you're using a laptop, then please make sure that you have plugged in the charger and just click on next, and the whole PC will be reset and you will have a fresh copy of Windows 10 in your computer very soon. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.